Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 2.4 question number 2. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Let us first discuss question number 1. Question number 1 is if gx is equal to x plus 1 is a factor of px, that is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, then p minus 1 must be 0. Let us find whether p minus 1 is 0 or not. Here you see that px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Let us find p minus 1. I'll put the value of minus 1 in place of x, that is 2 into minus 1 to the power cube plus minus 1 to the power square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Then we are getting 2. Minus 1 to the power whole cube is minus 1. Therefore, we are getting minus 2. Minus 1 to the whole square is 1 plus 1. Minus into minus is plus 2 minus 1. Therefore, we are getting minus 2. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. As p is equal to 0, therefore we can say that hence gx is equal to x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor of px, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Right? To solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is question number 2 is px, again if gx equal to x plus 2, gx equal to x plus 2 is a factor x is a factor of the polynomial px, factor of the polynomial px is equal to s cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, then p minus 2 must be 0. P minus 2 must be 0. Must be 0. Let us find whether P minus 2 is 0 or not. Here you see that Px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. If you find P minus 2, then we are getting minus 2, then we are getting minus 2 to the power cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. That is, we are getting minus 2 to the power whole cube is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. Minus into minus is plus 4. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 12 minus 3 to the 6 minus 6 plus 1. Or we are getting 12 minus 8 minus 6, that is minus 14, plus 12 plus 1 is 13, minus 14 plus 13, that is equal to minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. As P minus 2 is not equal to 0, hence gx equal to x plus 2 is not a factor of px, that is equal to s cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now solve question number 3. Here you see question number 3 is px equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and gx equal to x minus 3. Let us find question number 3. If x minus 3, if gx is equal to x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px, that is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 plus x plus 6, then P3 must be 0. P3 must be 0. P3 must be 0. Let us find Px is equal to, let us find whether P3 is 0 or not. Px is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 4x square plus x plus 6. If we find P3, then we are getting 3 to the power cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power 3, that is 27. 3 to the power 3 is 27 minus 3 3 9, 4 9 is 36 plus 3 plus 6. We add this one, 27 plus 3, 30 plus 6 is 36. So we are getting 36 minus 36, and that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Hence, gx equal to x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px. Is a factor is a factor of the given polynomial. The factor of the given polynomial. Polynomial. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.